Let's start with this Karen who forgets to show up to court. On June 6, 2024, a routine traffic stop turned into a complex legal situation when the driver Tara was found to have an outstanding warrant. The incident unfolded after Tara failed to appear in court for a previous charge, leading to significant legal and personal consequences.
Okay, listen. I'm not harassing you guys. I'm just stop. The only reason why I'm stopping, just the stop sign. Taylor right here, you rolled it. And then in the roundabout. I'm not talking to you, am I? I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. Once again, I'm still not talking to you. I'm not talking to you.
You're lying.
I'm not talking to you.
You followed them.
Alright, nobody's talking to you. Do the driver's license. That's fine. So do I. Everything's on camera.
Okay, but you wait till if we roll the stop sign, why you wait till all the way to now to stop?
I'm not talking to you, sir.
Why you wait all the way down to stop?
I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you.
It's a red.
I'm not talking to you.
I want to know why you harassing me.
I'm not talking to you once again.
What you mean?
I know my driver's license number by heart.
Okay. Let me just get your name.
I'm here for my life.
Okay, please.
Why is you following us like
Can you
that, though?
stop?
In fact, can you just hop on top?
No, stay right here. Here for our life. I want it on camera.
Me?
Yeah.
Tara.
Can you just talk to me back here?
No, stay in the car.
I am not talking
Stay in
to
the car.
you.
Do not get out. Do not.
I was just, okay, what was the
Yeah, I want to talk to you back here because this guy is.
car, and I want to drop them off, so I am.
I understand.
And responsible, and I'm trying to drop him off. It's my.
Yeah, and I appreciate you being cooperative.
Yeah, so that's it.
Yeah,
But
that's
I
why
can
just
talk
wanna
to you.
talk to you.
But I can still talk to you right here.
I know, but I'm asking you very nicely.
So I don't want it to be no problem.
Listen. Stop talking. I am not talking to you. Once again, I am not talking to you.
Don't get out the car. Fear for our life.
The traffic stop began when law enforcement observed Tara rolling through a stop sign and not coming to a complete stop at a roundabout. When officers initiated the stop, Tara exhibited signs of non-compliance.
You followed them.
Pretty much,
Wait.
pretty much on any traffic stop, we can ask any the driver or anybody just to get out of the car.
No, it's not.
That's why I'm just asking.
No,
but I didn't.
I don't want to make it a big deal.
And
I know that's what I'm saying.
But the reason for the stop
was the stop sign. So right here at this roundabout.
Where?
Right here at this I'm not talking.
I'm listening.
Right here at this roundabout, and on Taylor and Black right there, both those stop signs, he went over the white line. It didn't come to a complete stop. So I hit my camera and recorded it too, so it's all on camera. Okay. So like, if you don't believe me, you can always.
And you waited all the way till we got right here to pull us over. After
this
we
guy?
feared for our
he's
life.
running his mouth the whole time.
We feared for our life. Roll that motherfucker.
I'm gonna stay right here because I don't want them to be.
Okay. Do not get out of the car.
Tara, listen. Because I'm asking you,
we got
Pennsylvania,
insurance. We got license and insurance. We do not have to step out of the car.
If you call 911,
I'm reporting you.
If you call 911, you're going to go to jail.
She cannot step out of the car.
Okay, you don't know a thing. Yes, she.
Over a traffic
I'm done
stop.
talking.
Over a traffic stop. You do not have to step out this vehicle.
But what is that happening now? I'm feeling a little nervous.
Why she got to step out for?
There's no reason for that.
Why she got to step out for?
I'm not talking to you.
It's a traffic stop. That's it. You do not have to step out the vehicle for a traffic stop.
It's not a big deal. You're not in trouble.
I know, because I haven't done it. I'm just trying. I want to make sure.
I don't want to.
But I'm not doing it because I don't get out the car because I've been pulled over before for a traffic stop and they never asked me to get out the car.
Okay, but it's case law. So like I said, Pennsylvania versus Mims, we can ask you to get out of the car.
Wait a minute. Hello? So we just got pulled over, right? He said that we did a...
She refused to engage with the officers and attempted to avoid getting out of her vehicle, claiming that she did not need to comply with the request as it was merely a traffic stop. The officers at the scene explained the reason for the stop and requested Tara to step out of the car for further questioning.
Can you flash loud? I want you to pick up the
I appreciate that. Here's the thing. It's like I said, I don't want it to go somewhere where it doesn't need to.
The car, why would it go any further?
No. I'm just saying if you refuse to get out of the car.
But he said I'm refusing to get out of the car.
No. I'm not saying you are refusing. I'm saying no. It's not obstructing justice. It's called obstruction.
About her.
All right, then come on. Let's do this. Let's just get this over with. I just have a couple of questions to talk to you out there, and then we'll be good. We'll be good to go. Alright, I appreciate you.
I'm on the phone. I'm still on the phone. I couldn't find his number. So he's a little irritated.
Okay.
That's all.
Yeah. And I'm being so cooperative or being cool with you because people don't know that you do have to step out of the car.
Right. They're like,
nobody wants to be pulled over.
Right.
So I get it.
She.
Where are you guys coming from?
Swimming.
Where is it?
Swimming.
We're
at somebody's house.
We're at the... Hey, sit down. What is this guy doing?
On the west side. Sit down. It's a lot of police out here. That's it. We went swimming. Took this one out and drop him off.
Okay. Is there only other cars locked up like this?
He has smoked. I don't smoke. He smoked way earlier.
Just because I can smell the fresh weed.
Yeah.
So,
but that was earlier.
When I say like the fresh weed, it's still smoke.
Okay, well I don't smoke.
However, Tara's refusal to cooperate created tension, complicating the situation. The officers discovered that Tara had an outstanding warrant for her arrest due to a failure to appear in court.
No, I know he smoked some weed before we pulled off. So,
I'm just asking if he's in the car.
No, I don't smoke. You see, I'm not gonna smell like weed, nothing.
Yeah.
I just smoke.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, usually he's kind of making it a little bit more. But let me just run into that.
Okay, go ahead.
I'd like to talk to this guy, but...
I mean, well, if you pull this over for a complete step, I think that you can go right here at the stop sign. That's fine. If you was right behind me, I felt like I made a complete stop because it was another car coming, so I couldn't have just did a yield and go because it was a car right there. I had to at least wait for that car to go.
Yeah. And like I said, I got.
But that's fine. It's a yield to go. I haven't really broken law. There's there's people out here killing and murdering and raping people.
What's this guy's name?
Ask him. He will ask him his information. You got two other cops right there too. Run my stuff. I got license.
Alright, just hang out here for a second. Let me run your... You got insurance too on the car?
Yeah.
Alright, just give me a second. We'll get that in a second.
I just left court. You heard this?
So...
I just got out. How did I have a warrant for obstruction ID? I go to court on the 14th. It is. Okay, let me tell. Wait.
We don't want you running back over the phone.
Oh, did you hear this?
This revelation added a new layer of complexity to the traffic stop, escalating the encounter from a routine check to a more serious legal issue. As the situation progressed, it became clear that Tara's previous failure to attend court had resulted in a warrant for obstructing identification.
He said I'm obstructing.
No, you got a warrant for it.
A warrant for obstructing.
You gave me in there.
Right, that's
I'm gonna figure all that out for you.
He said he's gonna figure it out.
Yeah. Give me the other hand.
Other
hand?
Okay, mine.
You got a warrant.
I have a warrant.
We're checking.
Come here.
I gotta check.
I'm gonna give it to him. No, I will give it to you.
Just
He's only 15 though.
Hang. Let me fix this for you so it doesn't. Yeah. I'm keeping them like decent loose here.
I don't know what this.
I'm trying to make it so it's kind of.
I don't even know what this is about. Obstructing ID.
It's a warrant, so it's not from us. So I ran your ID. I just got
a warrant for what?
I just told you. So you know what obstructing ID is?
No.
It's like pretty much it's saying that you lied about your name. For whatever it is that I'm not worried about. So I'm gonna put you in the back real quick. And I gotta run because you gotta check. If you handled it, they might not have taken it out.
I don't even know what this is talking about. I mean,
I don't either.
This wrist of mine on the right is messed up. We can just twist my arm around because it hurts.
This warrant, in turn, led to additional charges, including resisting arrest and driving under the influence DUI. Despite Tara's efforts to call for assistance and clarify her situation, the officers proceeded with her arrest based on the existing warrant.
Like this one? This one. If I could turn it, and my shoulder is messed up too,
So shit,
wait. Let me straighten my leg out.
I'll just get you down there quick. So we can
Wait,
get
but why I gotta go down there? And I go to court on the 14th, I got all my
Is it the same one or is it a different one?
It's the same thing.
Yeah, so right now, I don't know if you missed the court date, you must have missed one. So,
No.
But for on our end, pretty much.
Oh, can I? Okay, well, can I? Okay. That's it. I'm not trying to give you a hard time. You see that from the beginning. I ain't did nothing, and I shouldn't even have no warrant because.
Who's this dude in the car? Can he drive? Yeah. So
but okay, I'm not trying to be an asshole.
I mean, even if you want to understand, it's completely.
But I'm not though. I'm just trying to get an understanding.
Did you
didn't even fix the.
Under Florida statutes, Chapter 843.02, obstructing identification involves unlawfully hindering or resisting an officer's attempt to identify an individual. This statute addresses scenarios where a person obstructs or refuses to provide necessary identification, and it is considered a first-degree misdemeanor. The penalties for this offense can include up to 1 year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000, reflecting the seriousness with which Florida law treats interference with law enforcement duties. Driving under the influence DUI, as defined by Florida statutes Chapter 316.193, involves operating a vehicle with a blood alcohol content back of 0.08% or higher. The statute outlines significant consequences for DUI offenses, including fines ranging from $500 to $2,000. For a first offense, penalties may also include up to 9 months in jail and mandatory attendance at DUI school, which aims to address and mitigate repeat offenses. Failing to appear in court leads to the issuance of an arrest warrant, which can have serious consequences beyond the initial charge. This warrant can result in additional legal issues, such as increased fines and potential imprisonment. All right, let's move to this next case where things might get even worse. On May 22nd, 2024, Hoboken police officers were dispatched to the scene of a motor vehicle accident involving 2 cars. The at-fault vehicle, driven by a 57-year-old woman, had rear-ended another vehicle. Upon arrival, Officer Huggins observed clear signs of intoxication in the woman.
Hello, how are you? Good. What's going on?
I don't know. I'm just trying to go through the light. Just kind of swipe the back.
Okay, it happened, of course, right here like this. So what happened? You were at the light here, and this vehicle hit you in the butt, in the rear? Okay. Okay, no problem. Hello, ma'am, are you okay?
No.
What's wrong? All right, give me a second. Can you cut the car off? MC4.
MC4.
Anybody working field sobriety?
Vice sobriety field officer yet?
Oh, you can stay in the car for now. Stay in the car.
2 and 2. I am field sobriety.
Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
I stand by 2 and 2.
You have your license, registration, and insurance card?
108. Swing over there with you. 2 and 2. I'm at 1021 Jackson. Just want to bring that car over.
No, that's your health insurance card. Okay.
Thursday hours.
You have registration and insurance? So I'm gonna ask you a question, ma'am. Have you had anything to drink today? You have? How long ago?
6 hours.
About 6 hours ago? What were you drinking, if you don't mind me asking?
Wine.
Wine? We're at home or at a bar? Where were you? Can one of you guys just grab Miller? Can one of you just grab her information so we can get her out of here? I gotta stay with this driver. Can you just grab the information here? You're not hurt. They're not hurt. An accident happened. Okay. Is the insurance card in your glove compartment, ma'am?
Yes.
Are you able to get it out? You put everything on the seat already. Maybe it's on the seat.
34. Make your way to Newark and Jackson. See the units there. On MVA, you can check the one.
So being that you're holding your chest and you're having difficulty breathing, I had an ambulance come to check you out.
I have.
Prompting the call for a DUI certified officer to conduct further evaluation. As officers awaited the arrival of the DUI specialist, the woman began to experience medical issues. She exhibited symptoms consistent with a possible asthma attack, as she was seen holding her chest and having difficulty breathing. Despite these signs, she refused medical treatment when EMS arrived on the scene.
I don't need.
So being that you're holding your chest and you're having difficulty breathing, I had an ambulance come to check you out.
I have.
She has asthma?
Okay.
Can I check to see if there's an inhaler in here?
Sure.
I have asthma, and I also
I might have one in my bag.
The driver of this vehicle may be having an asthma attack. Give that to Miller. Just send it all to me. I'll take care of it. Thank you.
You have to keep breathing. You have to.
When the DUI certified officer arrived, the woman was asked to perform standardized field sobriety tests to assess her level of intoxication. However, she declined to participate in these tests.
The 34, how far out are you? Santos, do we have medics rolling?
Get you a medic unit. 34, we're at
You guys never, ever.
140.
All right. Just let's get you some oxygen, okay?
14. Take right over to 15 and Bloomfield. Get 15 to Bloomfield. Turn it to be in the parking lot. Last parking. For the
Mel, just send that all to my phone, all right? Just insurance card. You have the driver's information, the passenger's information, insurance information, telephone numbers.
Yep.
Okay.
You want me to send them on their way? You want them to hang out?
They're good to go. Yeah. Give them the case number. They're good to go. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure.
All right. Thank you, guys. We're armed by action.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, gentlemen.
And then Action won't talk to us at all.
Appreciate it.
So,
Thank you.
anything-
All right, Jay.
If anything changes, call us back.
I have her ID.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, I'm Officer Milne. I'm one of the DUI experts. I was wondering if you'd be willing to take a few tests with me to measure your level of intoxication.
No,
Okay, can you just step out of the car with me, please?
no.
Well, I'm going to need you, if you want to perform the test, you need to step out of the car.
I am not.
Essentially, the tests are for me to judge your level of intoxication. You could pass the test and be considered safe to drive, if that's the case.
I'm not driving.
You're behind the wheel of a car, you got into a motor vehicle accident.
I have not done.
Ma'am, you were involved in a motor vehicle accident. It's concerning to me now that you don't recall that, as you're behind the wheel of a motor vehicle. My only job here is to try and determine your level of intoxication. There's 3 tests that need to be performed if you're willing to take those tests.
And I have not done the deal.
Okay, so I want you to understand that if you don't take the test, we're going to go strictly based on our current observations. You have slurred speech, you have difficulty on comprehending what we're saying to you, you don't recall being behind the wheel of the car at the time of the accident. Exactly, man, this is our point. You can't perform simple sentences. Your speech is slurred. You don't recall being behind the wheel at the time of the accident. Based on that, it's
What accident?
okay. Yeah, I think she's a 2-5. She's not willing to perform a test. Everything's on camera. That's it. So, ma'am, please step out of the car. Can you please step out of the car, ma'am?
No.
All right. All right, ma'am. I'm advising you now you're going to be placed under arrest. We're asking you to step out of the car, please. Okay? Take my hand and come out of the car.
Why?
You're being placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated. It's very simple. I asked you to perform tests and you refuse to take those tests. You cannot perform clear, coherent sentences. Your speech is slurred. You were behind the wheel of an accident, behind the wheel of the car at the time of the accident. You do not recall. So please, let me take your hand and just guide you out, please.
What?
Her refusal to cooperate and her observable impairment led to her arrest for driving under the influence DUI. She was subsequently transported to Hoboken Police Headquarters.
Why are you doing this?
Please.
Why are you doing
Finish
this?
talking on the sidewalk.
Why? Why?
Christine, please.
No. Why are you doing this?
Man, we're not doing anything to you. We have a job to do.
Yes.
Please step out.
Yes, you do.
Okay. Please.
Why are you doing this?
Can you step out of the car
Please
so we
step
can
out
have
of
this
the car.
conversation on the sidewalk?
Yes.
Very dangerous situation for myself and these officers. Can you please just... Do you need a hand?
We'll help you out so you don't fall, okay? Go ahead.
No, I don't want you to.
Okay,
Why are you doing
You
this?
can do it on your own power. Let's step out.
Why?
Please.
Why?
Man, we are now in oncoming
Why?
traffic. We need to go.
Why?
Please. Please come with us.
Why?
please. Yeah. Wait, leave it open. We gotta check for intoxicants. Alright, man.
Why?
Wait, chance, man.
Why?
Come over here.
Why? Thank you.
No problem.
At the police station, the woman refused to submit to an evidential breath test, a critical component in determining her blood alcohol concentration. This refusal compounded her legal troubles, leading to additional charges. The woman faced charges for operating a vehicle under the influence DUI and refusing to submit to chemical testing. In the legal context, DUI charges stem from operating a vehicle with a blood alcohol concentration back above the legal limit, which impairs one's ability to drive safely. Refusing to take a chemical test, such as a breathalyzer, further complicates the legal situation, often leading to additional penalties. Under New Jersey law, specifically NJSA 39450, operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol or drugs is a serious offense. Penalties for a DUI conviction can vary based on factors such as the driver's back level and whether it is a first or subsequent offense. Typically, penalties include fines, license suspension, and mandatory alcohol education programs. For a first offense with a back of 0.08% to 0.100%, the penalties may include a fine up to $400, a 3-month license suspension, and a possible jail term of up to 30 days. Refusing to submit to a chemical test under NJSA 39:4-50.4a results in additional penalties. New Jersey's implied consent law dictates that by driving on public roads, drivers consent to chemical testing if suspected of DUI. Refusal to take such tests can lead to a loss of driving privileges for up to 1 year, fines, and possibly an additional jail sentence. All right, let's move to this next case where things might get even worse. On July 1st, 2024, a concerning incident unfolded at an apartment complex when deputies were called to respond to a juvenile incident. At approximately 9 a.m., a witness, while walking through the complex, observed a 2-year-old child wandering alone in the roadway at the entrance of the parking lot. The witness immediately recognized the potential danger and stood by with the child, hoping to locate the parents. However, after an hour of searching without success, the witness decided to contact the sheriff's office for assistance. Upon receiving the call, deputies arrived at the scene to find the child still alone. The witness had been diligently keeping the child safe, trying to keep her away from the roadway and searching for any signs of the parents.
There are 2 boys.
Yeah. No, nobody found you?
No, I've been with her for over an hour.
Do you know where you found her at?
By walking towards the street. I was out running and I noticed her and I was like, this does not look good. And she, I asked her where her parents were and she said she clearly didn't.
That's not.
Hello.
That's not my
That's not your house.
Oh.
Let's go this way.
Yeah. I'm thinking. So she was walking towards like the main road there.
Okay.
She said that yellow car. I mean, but I don't know if she likes the car maybe. But nobody has come out and looked for her in the last hour.
Okay. Well.
Like I'm now self-status check.
She's just going around places?
Yeah, because when I tried to do the same thing, she had me over there and over here. I don't think she really knows. Emma, go see if there's a car seat in that yellow car. But clearly from the looks of her, who knows if she didn't have her car seat.
So you found her?
I don't have anyone available in the area right now.
I'll show you exactly where I found her.
26, there's no rush on it.
And my daughter said that she saw her walking around over there.
211 direct, it's going to be over by the Axon cameras next to Megan's desk. There should be 2 baby seats there.
Deputies conducted an immediate search in the vicinity and attempted to identify the child's guardians but were unsuccessful at first. To ensure the child's safety, deputies brought a child seat to the scene and took the child into their custody. They also arranged for a Child Protective Services representative to meet them.
How's this area down here?
This is supposed to be like a 55 and up community.
I'm just here staying in my brother's condo and I'm like,
Yeah.
Looks like it could go 50-50 here.
So was bottom must was she in the grass or in the roadway?
She was sitting, well, she saw me, she was in the road, and then when she saw me, she ran and sat by the tire.
She did?
I kind of went and looked to see where she went because I didn't see a parent. And I walked.
And you've had her for about an hour now?
Oh, I clearly, longer than that. It's bad. Yeah, I've had her for a long time.
try and just make contact so we can't find a parent real quick. If not, I need to get a written statement from you, just where you found her, just kind of describing it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call DCF real quick too.
Yeah,
So you got a few minutes. I know you've been an hour. I hate to put you out like this,
No,
but
that's
it's to help me out. If this child has been without care for an hour, other than with being in your care, that's a problem. So
yeah, it clearly is.
yeah, I'm gonna get her started on some statements. I got I think Spinelli's on his way with a baby seat. I'm gonna call DCF. I think she says at least over an hour.
Yeah.
So we're taking custody.
Yeah, I mean, I called you guys the first 911 call.
I'm gonna pull my car up so we get the nice shade over here.
9:16, it was the first call. And I was left there 10 minutes prior to that.
Okay, I'm gonna need a statement from you, and then we're gonna take this child into custody, and hopefully I can identify the parents and go from there. Oh yeah? Who made the peanut butter sandwich? Did you make it?
He's coming.
Right here.
Right.
I appreciate you guys. If you guys will hang out until the behavioral response unit comes, she'll maybe
we're going
babysit.
another car. When's the last time she was changed?
You have a diaper? Yeah, you.
The situation was further complicated when deputies discovered that the child's mother was found in a state of impairment due to drug use. The deputies took the mother into custody for child neglect and drug-related offenses, informing her of the serious legal consequences she faced.
So we go to this car over here. There's nothing on you, right? Because anything I don't find, if they find it at the jail, it's going to be an additional felony charge, okay?
Okay, but I don't do anything.
That's
I'm
okay.
A business
It's just,
owner.
as you're getting ready to go back in the back seat of my patrol car, I got to ask.
I just fell asleep. I just slept.
Okay. Again, no narcotics on you or anything like that?
No, I don't have anything.
All right, if they
on
do
me.
find it at the jail with their scanners, that's a felony charge. So
I
now's the time to tell
don't do
me.
anything.
Okay.
I don't do anything.
All right. Have you taken any alcohol or narcotics in the last 24 hours?
No.
Because I don't want you. If you need to go to the hospital. Okay.
No.
All right. Are you not pregnant or anything like that?
I'm not pregnant, no.
Okay. All right. I'm just asking. Hang tight for me 1 second. All right. You just want to take a seat back there?
A child neglect charge?
It's a child neglect charge. I'm going to be frank with you, okay? I don't think you have any previous history of this.
No, I just fell asleep.
Like you're going to work with DCF for a parenting plan. State attorney's going to review everything. The judge has to review everything. So again, you're innocent until proven guilty.
During her interaction with the deputies, the mother expressed significant frustration and concern. She was troubled by the potential impact on her business and her ability to retain custody of her child. The mother admitted to falling asleep due to exhaustion and discussed her use of medication, including drugs prescribed for ADHD, which she claimed had unintended sedative effects.
And then if it is proven guilty that I fell asleep...
Even if it's proven guilty, doesn't mean you're to be denied your child or anything like that.
What about my business? When people look me up, they're gonna see I'm a child abuser. That's how I feed my child.
Again, you're aware that your child's been opening doors. You live near a water hazard. You live on a second-story flight hazard, and Clubhouse Drive is right there. And your kid's in diapers too. Like I got a 4-year-old, and I don't know what it is. And
my son's 3, about to be 3.
Here's my 4-wheeler right there. I don't know what it is. I wake up like he's out of diapers. I mean, he's fully functioning. Go to the bathroom on his own. Everything. Wake up.
I would have
every 4 hours or so.
Yeah.
And I just check on him because I don't know. Maybe because I do this job, but.
I mean, we're in like an apartment the size of like most people's room. Like, it's like how much could he really do? I thought, without me waking
you're
up.
lucky that nothing happened to your child. Okay?
I know, but
I really do.
I know.
Because if your child would have fallen in that water, and having been to, you could disagree with me.
Yeah, I know. When you're exhausted, you don't really wake up in the middle of the sleep, and if you don't, it's not really your fault if you don't wake up in the middle. The only thing that I could have really done differently, I can't help how hard I sleep, would have been to put like that door lock and possibly
Radium or supplements like that mimic the effects of like a depressant, or I think it is a depressant.
The deputies emphasized the gravity of the situation, stressing the need for child safety and outlining the potential legal repercussions of her actions. The mother also revealed her prior legal history, mentioning a misdemeanor charge from a past family dispute. She was advised to cooperate with the court and child protective services to develop a parenting plan.
You know, those are things that you got to account for. You're going to be impaired by any kind of substance. You know, you got to, if it's going to make you sleep, you need to make sure that somebody's there to take care of your child.
it doesn't make you sleep. It usually does the opposite for me. That's why I take it, so that I have the energy to work and go to the gym.
Reaction to cranium, but I just know that it's often taken with my knowledge of it.
I take it so that I don't have to take prescription medication because I was diagnosed with like ADHD and stuff like that.
But my genuine hope is that from here forward, you can get your kid back.
I doubt it. Once they're in the system, I really doubt it.
No,
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna do everything I can. As a person that's been frustrated
with the system before, I don't think you're gonna see your kid again.
I think I'll see him. I don't think that I'll get him back, and I don't think I'll be able to afford to, anyways, because I think that this is going to ruin my business, and I won't be able to afford to get him back.
Again, you're innocent until proven guilty. All right, this right now.
But I don't know what classifies as proven guilty. I mean, I did fall asleep.
So proven guilty means like it means adjudicated guilty. It means it went to trial and then you either pled out or.
So what do you think I should do? Plead not guilty?
I'm not an attorney. I can't really advise on any of that. Right now, my job is just probable cause. Okay, the probable cause is.
Flag on motor 14, can you 1065 follow up to the signal 4 no injury?
And again, the public defender, the state attorney, the public
defender.
Be
reference to a signal 4 that occurred at Publix 212. BRP Dominic called in, advised it.
The legal process would involve a bond hearing where a judge would determine the bond amount or consider her release on her own recognizance. The mother's arrest for child neglect and drug-related offenses led to several legal challenges. The primary charge was child neglect, a serious offense under Florida statutes Chapter 827. Child neglect involves failing to provide adequate supervision or care, leading to potential harm or danger. In Florida, penalties for child neglect can range from a third-degree felony to a first-degree felony, depending on the severity of the neglect. If drug use or impairment played a role, additional charges related to controlled substances could be applicable under Florida statutes Chapter 893. Penalties for drug-related offenses vary based on the substance involved and can include fines, imprisonment, and mandatory rehabilitation programs.